Alright, Aiden, invite me. God, I choked, man. I choked. I choked so hard. I choked so hard. Why am I panicking right now? Like, that's such... God damn it, man. I hate when I choke, man. When I choke, I just look like a fucking bot. What's up, Red? I hate when I choke, bro. It's literally the most annoying thing, man. Hell yeah, Chica. Boobs are great. Hell yeah. It's not my fault Fortnite flashed me with some boobs.
He's not bad though, it's the girl. It's the girl.
Sit down, bitch! Sit the fuck down! Yep, everybody go salty. If you're outside salty, I'm killing you.
Alright, if I know who you are in chat and you're throwing grenades and killing people.
I'm fucking all you guys up next game. I don't give a fuck. Everyone's getting fucked up. Everyone's getting fucked up. Oh, wanna stream some? Come on.